Students, in this video for book work, page number 11. First one, farmer face difficulties because two answer here given, monsoon one, another one rain, are unpredictable. Okay, what is this here? Answer, monsoon. Okay, second one, when there is scanty or no rainfall at all, the place suffer from drought. Suffer from drought. That means varachi. No rain causes drought. Here what answer? Drought. Now page number 12. The dash canal supplies of water to the desert region in Rajasthan. Indira Gandhi, Buckingham. Here what answer? Indira Gandhi canal supplies water to the desert region in Rajasthan. Second one, dash are dug when the water table is very deep under the ground. Tube well. Here what answer? Tube wells. Now third one, dash river have water throughout the year. Non-perennial, perennial. Here what answer? Perennial. Now page number 15. Hirakud Dam is built on the dash river in dash. Maganadi river in Odisha. Second one, dams are also called a multi-purpose project. Multi-purpose project due to the many uses. Now third one, dams are vessel opening on dam that regulate that flow of water. Sluice gird. Okay. Now here collecting rainwater in underground tank is called a rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting. Now page number 17. The harvesting of wheat is celebrated as Baisakhi. What? Baisakhi in Punjab and Haryana. Second one, dash is the largest producer of wheat. Punjab. Now page number 19. The state of dash leads in the production of groundnut. Gujarat. What answer? Gujarat. Now page number 21. Sugar is got from dash sugar cane. Rubber and coffee are plantation crops. Now page number 24. Book back exercise. First Roman, fill in the blanks. The Viranam Lake and the Usain Sagar Lake are some example of tank dug in India. Okay. B. Industrial waste should be disposed carefully to prevent water pollution. C. Wheat and pulses are example food crops in India. Example of food crops in India. Now D. We do not have to import good food grains anymore because of the Green Revolution. Now E. West Bengal is the leading producer of jute in the country. Now choose. Dash is called the king of piper. Cotton. B. The dam is built over the Sutlej river. Hirakud, Bakranangal, Metur. Bakranangal Dam. Now C. Crops Dash crops are also called winter crops. Rabi. Now B. Dash is the largest producer of sugarcane in the country. Uttar Pradesh. Now E. Coffee is grown in Coorg in Karnataka. Match. Match the following. Wheat. Here answer. Rabi crop. Nagarjuna Sagar Dam, Krishna River. Rice. Kharif crop. Mettur Dam, Kaveri River. Pulses. Cereal crop. Now, page number 25. Answer the following question in one or two sentences. First question. What is hydroelectricity? Now answer. In a dam, water is made to fall from a great height to spin turbine, which is to generate electricity. This kind of electricity is called hydroelectricity or tidal power. Again one time. In a dam, water is made to fall from a great height to spin turbine. Turbine. BINES. Turbines. Which is turn. Turn. Generate electricity. Electric. Electricity. CITY. This kind of electricity is called hydroelectricity or tidal power. Now B question. Why is irrigation necessary? Irrigation is necessary as farming is dependent on a regular supply of water throughout the year. Again one time. Irrigation is necessary as farming is dependent on a regular supply of water throughout the year. Now, see question. What are canals? Canals are narrow paths that are dug on the surface to carry water from river or water stored in tanks and reservoirs to far off field for irrigation. Now, B1. What are cash crop? Give two example. Now answer. Crops that are produced mainly for export purposes and which provide a lot of income to our country are called a cash crop. Okay. Jute and cotton are example of cash crop. Okay. Now E1. What are plantation crop? Plantation crops are those crops that are grown in plantation. Example, tea, coffee and rubber.